Hey guys, Akwaba, welcome to my channel. My name is Nana. If today is your first time, welcome to this channel. So for the past 2 or 3 months, I have been trying to find a place to rent in Accra, and I finally moved down like 3 days ago. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna show you the space and how inadequately I'm prepared to be an adult, and I'll also show you what my decor plans are. The place is looking a little thrifty right now. It's not elegant at all. Mostly my fault because I like this space is huge, my guys, like huge, and I was just like inadequately prepared for it. So we're gonna go around looking and some decor plans. Maybe we'll plan it together. You tell me what you think, and we can come around and create a home for me. So let's start with the entryway. Okay, so this is the entryway. It has all my books here right now. All of these are my books that I have from teaching and my novels and whatnot. I've not yet built them up. So this is the entryway. I don't know what the hell is going on with this color, theory. It's like a really light gray on the walls, but it's like a beige over here. I don't understand. So my plan is to paint this whole entire beige part charcoal, not black, but like a deep like gray, which I know the color now is called charcoal. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'll put like a really nice gigantic mirror over here, create like sort of like a table situation here. So then when you just come out of the doorway, you can just, check yourself out before you go out or put stuff away, whatever. Of course, this window, I'm gonna cover it, create like a long curtain or something and have it like down. Yeah, I think that's what is going to happen here. Over here, I'm going to back up a bit so you can see how huge this hall is. Right? See how gigantic the space is? Okay, so I'm going to have like a TV right over here. I don't watch TV. I just only want it for Netflix and stuff. I'm currently watching Marcella, which I think would be great on a big, screen. So I'll probably get one of those over here. And then I'm going to create like a floating shelf space to like put stuff in right here. And then on this wall, maybe, I really don't know what I want to do with the wall because there's so much space to fill. But I do know that I want to create like a small reading corner and have like a standing lamp right over here in that space. Really beautiful. Okay, so over here is the only piece of furniture that I currently have, which is quite embarrassing. I'm almost 30 years old. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm almost 30 years old and I'm realizing this is the only piece of furniture that I own, and it's from Wayfair. It's very beautiful, very good. I think it will go with the color scheme, the gray that I have planned here. I'm gonna rug this area and put like 2 chairs, like one here, one there. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of chairs, but I have plans for it. I wanna make it like really cool and casual, but also like really great space. Now, if you look up, we have that ugly beige color going up here again, which I don't understand. So I'm gonna have it painted white, just to tie in with the space. I'm gonna have 2 lights. I'm thinking one that drop here, right here, and one for the dining area. So this is going to be my feature wall right there. I'm thinking of different things that I want to do. I don't know. If you have any ideas, definitely put it in the comment section so I can have it. But that's where I'm going to create like the feature wall, this whole entire area. So I'm going to have the dining set right here. I already know what kind of wood I'm going to use. And these are my handbags on the floor if you're, wondering. Don't judge me. I just moved it. So I'm going to have that over here. And right over here is also going to be charcoal. So I'm going to put some pictures on the wall, some of the pictures that I'm taking, because I do believe I take some really dope, photos. I just don't call myself a photographer because I take the profession quite seriously and I don't think I'm, trained for it or whatever. And just have some greenery here and over there. You know what I mean? So now let's go to the kitchen. Ooh! Again, don't judge me, but my kitchen's looking a little thrifty. So right now, that's the gas canister. If you don't know what it is, this is how you get gas in Ghana. I fill it like once or twice no, once every 8 weeks. It has like a regulator on top that tells you if it's gonna finish. So as you can see, I'm nearing the red zone. I need to get it together. So I'm gonna have a big stove over here with how do you call it? A big stove over here with like an oven because I miss like baking stuff. So I'm gonna have that. This gas canister is gonna go outside because you can't keep it in here. Propane, all of that. It's like not great. I'm gonna get rid of that thing. And that's what I have going on here. It does not look, elegant, appetizing at all because I just moved in here. The only thing that's probably done over here is this cupboard where I keep like my glasses and my mugs and everything. That's the only thing that's probably done. And this one with my plates and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reorganize all of that. But my plan is to do that and then also get a pantry shelf because I have my mom's how she has it, and it's always so convenient. You could just go there and pick whatever you want from here. I'm gonna have a spice rack over here because cooking and stretching, trying to get stuff and where's this, where's that. No, so I'm gonna have that organized over here. And I brought my outside rug into the kitchen, so there we have it. What's that? Oh, this thing. So this fridge is here, but somebody bought it because I wanted to get a much bigger, longer one now that I have the space for it. So someone's gonna come get this on Monday, and then I'm gonna go get a bigger one. So this is the kitchen, and these are the plans I have for it. It's small, but it's good because it's just me. I have 2 gigantic rooms, and my mom asked me what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know. I figure I can sleep here a bit, and just keep going on. Because in New York, you can't even turn around in your house like this. Okay, but here I can. So I'll just do whatever. I don't know. Okay, so now we're about to go into room 1. Don't judge me again. This is my laundry basket, and I have my clothes just still in my suitcases, which I have been living like this for a while because the houses do not provide you closets. Can you believe that? They don't provide you closets, so I have to build my own closet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build an open face closet right here. That's why I'm leaving the stuff here, so I don't have to move them. My carpenter is gonna come look at it today, actually. So we're gonna decide how the closet, and then have a vanity built inside the closet, which I think will be great. And my shoes are here. I'm gonna build a space inside the closet for shoes. And this is all my filming equipment. I'm filming this actually on the phone because I have not, set up an office space or anything yet. So I'm gonna have a studio space inside here, an office space, like editing and stuff for all the production stuff that I'm planning to do. I have like a film that I am actually working on right now, and it will require me to do a lot of work. So that is it. Breaking news. Now let's go into the bathroom. Okay, so now this bathroom annoys me. At the same time, kind of like excites me because the space is huge. Now this side goes down a bit like a slope, so it doesn't have that step stool or whatever you need. And this is how it is. So it's also identical to the other bathroom. So let's go there and I'll tell you what my plans for both of the bathrooms are. Okay, so here we go. Don't judge me again, but this is my living situation now. I have my bed over here, very good bed from Wayfair. It's been like, I've moved it like 3 times and it's still standing. So these are the parts of the bed that I have, and that's all the tools and stuff that I need to screw. I'll have someone do it. Can't do this, Charlie. Okay, so this is my bookcase that I plan on putting in the hall area for that reading corner that I told you. I'm gonna clear it when I build the closet. All of these is gonna go in there, all right? So that's my curtain pole in the corner, if you're wondering. Also, I forgot to tell you, so I'm going to change the color in this room. I'm going for a really minty green. I was going to go for an emerald green, but this room is kind of dark on its own. And, I want to have some peace when I sleep, so I'm not going to go dark anymore. I'm going to go for a really minty green. And I have 2 lights up here. I'm going to get gold chandeliers. Not really, I'm going to make it like Art Deco stuff. You know what I mean? I'm gonna make that, and then probably have like a small vanity area here, 2 side beds, have some art on the wall, some DIY stuff. So yeah, that's my plan for this room. Of course, I'm gonna rug the area because the tile is okay, but not a big fan. So I'm gonna rug the area as well, not the whole entire area, but just the place that covers, here is the bathroom. So this bathroom is kind of annoying in a way, but it's, usually bathrooms will have this toilet right in the middle there, but this is off to the side. So what I'm going to do is put like a shelf over here. I have all my beauty things over there. I have like some artwork and whatnot, maybe some greenery in here. And as you can see, I don't have a mirror. So I'm gonna get a mirror and all my stuff is over here. All of that has to go over there. Say hey to my sponge, okay? I'm gonna have that go over there. Have like a shower curtain over here to the floor and rug the place as well. So yeah, it's a lot of different things that I have to buy and I have to do in order for the place to look as I want it. But it's gonna be exciting doing these little projects on my channel. So yeah, as you can see, the space is still what it is. It needs a lot of work before I can call it home, but excited for the DIY that we're about to do and all the things and all the stuff I have to get, So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.